Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Night snack that boosts metabolism while you sleep. This snack is perfectly acceptable at night, half an hour before bedtime. According to research, eaten at such a time, it can speed up a person's metabolism while they are sleeping. Experts advise using cottage cheese for such a snack. Losing weight while sleeping, it seems like it's too good to be true. But a recent study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that a product like cheese could very well be an overnight snack to help you get leaner. It is able to activate metabolism during sleep. Researchers have found that eating just 30 grams of cheese is enough to speed up the body's metabolic processes. Its use has a positive effect on the metabolic rate and regeneration of muscle tissue thanks to the casein component found in dairy products and cheese. It is digested slowly, providing muscles with high-quality protein for several hours. Thus, the body does not have to spend at night to generate energy. On protein, it uses carbohydrates and fats for this, and contributes to weight loss, explained the experts. For those who do not like cheese, scientists advise using protein shakes. The body's metabolic response to their consumption is almost identical. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.